if you follow the steps, what Buddha shared with you, and practice, remember the word is very important, practice, then you can be enlightened.
The more love you give, the more love you feel. This is a universal law of energy. When you give love through kindness, compassion, patience, or even a simple smile, you are not losing anything. You are expanding your own energy field. You are activating a powerful vibration within your body that naturally attracts more love back to you.
Buddha's teaching is help you from the top down to look at who you are and what you are and what you can do the best to design yourself. It's not designed from within and inside. It's designed from outside to see the whole picture of yourself. What is your position in a society? What is, as a people, individually living on this planet? What is your purpose? And find out this, and then what is your value to your family, to your community, and to the world? And then you make meaning of your life. So once you find the meaning of your life, then you can open your heart even more. Then compassion, unconditional love, forgiveness, and all these beautiful tools in your toolbox you can use to help yourself to live a better life, and you can help others to live better life.
Enlightenment is when your heart is so open, so full of love, that there is no more resistance inside you, no more fear controlling your actions, no more separation between you and others. You become peaceful, yet powerful, gentle, yet deeply impactful. And in that state, you realize something profound. You were never separate from love. You are love. And when you live from that truth, you don't just change your life.
Bounce, feeling how natural you feel. Now you swing your body side to side a little bit. You continue to bounce. When you bounce in this way, this is also help you to strengthen your kidney energy, because the kidney energy starts from the bottom of the feet, and also it helps you to strengthen your liver, your digestive system too. Now slowly you stop. Now slowly you raise your hands up above your head, and we're going to do this special movement. It's called connecting to the earth and the heaven energy from the Spring Force Qigong system, the 5 elements.
This movement helps you absorb positive energy and increases your overall vitality.
Feel that your feet are 9 feet deep in the earth, and you feel your hands are reaching, touching the heaven energy. Now you become a bridge connecting to the earth and the heavens energy. Inhale, slowly drop your knees a little bit. Exhale, slowly, straight up. Continue to hold your hands in this way. When you hold your hands above your head in this way, it helps you to open up your sinuses, your lungs, your heart, the limb system. It helps you to strengthen your digestive system too. By moving the knees up and down in this way, you help to amplify the energy flow in your legs as a pump, pumping the energy from the bottom of the feet up to the torso. The feet are considered as the second heart of the body. So when you move your feet, your legs in this way, actually you help to support the activities in your heart.
It activates your heart energy, helping you reconnect with feelings of love, compassion, and understanding.
Your knees. Feel the earth energy coming up in your feet, legs, thighs, and then the torso. And you feel the energy in the heaven, in the universe. Your fingers slightly stretch open. If you feel your hands a little bit tired, you can lower down your hands. Or even you can drop it a little bit down like this, but you continue to move your knees. Inhale, drop your knees. Exhale, straight up. When your arms rest enough, now you raise the arms again above your head. If this is the first time you practice this movement, you might feel that your arms kind of tired because you have not used the muscles in your arms in this way for a long time. And this movement is very, very effectively can help you to open up the channels in the heart, in the lungs, like if you have sinuses issues, allergies. Spring is here now. Lots of people have allergies. This is a great movement to help you to release that blockages so that you can help heal your allergies better. People have allergies of food or sinuses, seasonal allergies. This is a great movement to help you to open up the lungs, strengthen up the immunity.
This balance harmonizes yin and yang energy, bringing emotional stability and clarity of mind.
So continue to put a smile on your face while you are doing so. Inhale, drop your knees. Exhale, straight up your body. You might take like 5 seconds to inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 seconds to exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you can do it longer time, that's even better. Or just listen to how your rhythm, which fits you the best. Do it slowly and naturally and effortlessly. You don't need to try so hard. Continue to move in this pattern. Do it slowly, gently, and you feel the tingling sensation in your hands. Once you feel the tingling sensation in your hands, all the channels in the hands open.
This movement symbolizes welcoming the energy of the universe and releasing tension.
The thumb has something to do with the lungs. The index finger connects to the large intestine and your liver. The middle finger, the protection of your heart. The ring finger has something to do with the immune system, with the lymph system. And the pinky finger, the little finger, can help you to heal your heart, the physical heart, and also your small intestines. So your hands have all this connection, connecting to your internal organs. Stretch your fingers in this way. Plus, when you are moving your knees up and down, and you are able to help you to strengthen and amplify that qi flow from the liver, kidneys, pancreas, spleen, stomach, feeling how good you feel, how wonderful you feel.
It builds foundational life force energy that supports longevity.
Now we are coming to the end of this movement. Slowly you straighten up your knees, and very slowly you put your hands down. You don't do it too fast. If you do it too fast, if this is the first time you do it, you feel your arms is very tired, then you might feel that your arms, the muscle hurts more. So just slowly, just like what I do, put your hands down.